Welcome to the Weather Central on Tuesday, where we can expect a particularly hot day over the interior parts of the Northern and Western Cape, and we're forecasting fine and dry weather over the western half of South Africa, with some cloud moving in along the Eastern Cape Coast in the second part of the day. Thunder showers will start to move in over the central part of South Africa in the afternoon, spreading through to Gauteng and the Mpumalanga Highveld later on in the day, but things remain dry and quite cloudy over the far northeastern part of the country, and that's due to a ridging high pushing in some cloud over that part of South Africa. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for a high fire danger rating on Tuesday, with runaway fires possible within the shade of red. Isolated thunder showers are forecast for the Free State and Gauteng, as well as the majority of Mpumalanga and the northwest, with a dry forecast for the rest of South Africa. It's a toasty Tuesday afternoon in Vredendal at 42 degrees, 10 degrees below that in Cape Town at 32, 38 as we head into Uppington, a warm Tuesday in store in George at 28. We head into the mid-20s from Port Elizabeth all the way through to Durban and Pietermaritzburg, 27 for Johannesburg, Bethlehem and Richards Bay, and Polokwane and Bombela expecting a high of 26. Moderate beach conditions are expected for Alexander Bay, with a possibility of fog in the morning and a fresh westerly wind in the afternoon. A light east-northeasterly wind is expected in the morning between Namaqualand and Longabon, but with more of an onshore flow in the afternoon. And along the west coast, we're expecting a 1.5 metre southerly swell. In the southwest, we're expecting a light southeasterly wind for Cape Town, with more of an easterly wind for Hermanus, and a strong east-northeasterly wind with poor beach conditions in Cape Agulhas. In the southwest, we'll see a 2 metre southerly to southeasterly swell. Fresh winds are forecast from Port Elizabeth all the way through to Mossel Bay, with an east-northeasterly wind for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, more of a pure easterly wind for Mossel Bay. Along the south coast, we're expecting a 2 metre southeasterly swell with quite a short wave period of only 8 seconds. Along the east coast, poor beach conditions are expected for East London due to a strong northeasterly wind. A light south-southeaster is expected for the Wild Coast and Durban, with a fresh south-southwesterly wind for Richards Bay. And along the east coast, we'll see a 1.5 metre swell with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Tuesday.